know what happens to be the biggest enemy of time? Wasting it. We all have the same 24 hours in a day, yet some people manage to do so much more than others. They seem to have more time for everything they want to do. Well, that's not because they have some magical extra hours hidden away. It's because they know how to prioritize, how to focus on the important things and avoid wasting time on the unimportant ones. If you feel like you're constantly running out of time, if deadlines are looming and your to-do list is piling up, don't worry. Because today we're going to share with you some tips from the best time managers out there that will help you make the most of your day. 1. Know your priorities. Knowing what's important to you is the first step to managing your time effectively. What do you value most in life? Is it your family, your career, your personal growth? Once you know what's important to you, you can start to allocate your time accordingly. Make a list of your priorities and refer to it often. This will help you stay focused and on track. 2. Focus on one thing at a time. Multitasking may seem like a good idea, but it often leads to decreased productivity and mistakes. When you focus on one task at a time, you give yourself the best chance of completing it successfully. And once you've completed that task, move on to the next one on your list. 3. Don't be afraid to say no. It can be difficult to turn down requests, but it's important to do if you want to make the most of your time. If you agree to every request that comes your way, you'll soon find yourself overloaded and stressed out. Learn to say no politely but firmly. You can also try using a polite but firm tone of voice. I'm sorry, I can't help you with that right now. 4. Take breaks. Taking regular breaks is important for maintaining productivity. When you're feeling overwhelmed, take a few minutes to step away from your work and clear your head. This could mean taking a walk outside, listening to some music, or just relaxing for a few minutes. Just make sure to set a timer so you don't take too much time away from your work. 5. Use technology to your advantage. There are many apps and tools available that can help you manage your time more effectively. From calendar apps to time-tracking apps, there's something for everyone. Experiment with different apps until you find the ones that work best for you. Remember, time is the most valuable asset you have. Use it without worry. By following these tips, you'll be able to manage your time more effectively and make the most of your day. So what are you waiting for? Start today and see how much you can accomplish. That's all for this video, folks. If you enjoyed it, please give us a like and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And as always, thanks for watching.